District 54 is the largest elementary school district in the state of Illinois. We service roughly 14,000 students in pre-K through 8th grade.
Unlike many school districts that have a significant backlog of deferred maintenance, School District 54 has stayed on top of facilities management. By establishing a long-term relationship with Siemens and taking a proactive approach, District 54 has prevented building systems and equipment from failing unexpectedly.
The relationship with District 54 and Siemens began about 10 years ago, back in 2001, primarily with some lighting activities district-wide. We've since expanded that over the last 10 years to include a lot of mechanical work, a lot of boilers and chillers, a lot of univents and pumps, and everything that you see within the buildings on a district-wide scale.
They've been instrumental in helping us do what we wanted to do, to get the best price that we can get for our taxpayers, to deliver the best type of program that we can provide for our students, which enables us then to run a good school system in the most efficient way that we can.
That we had an administration center, and that administration center was very inefficient as far as how it was operating. And there were some challenges with, for instance, the science center that wasn't conditioned, that we're not able to really utilize that throughout the whole year, and we needed to do that. Siemens was able to come in and give us an idea, a template of how we could retrofit our current building, make it a much more sustainable building that we could accomplish all our mission.
Well, it's important to be proactive in our upgrades, first and foremost because of safety and security for both students and staff and for energy savings. And then secondarily, so we would do those projects on a proactive basis rather than waiting for a crisis where we might be taken advantage of in pricing by some contractors.
It's enabled us to use tax dollars, we believe, in a really effective and efficient way. And that's to deliver them and to focus them in the classrooms as much as we can. Siemens has been instrumental in that.
Performance contracting allowed District 54 to bundle many maintenance projects into a master plan and complete them in less time to improve the learning environment for students and reduce the risk of unexpected system failures.
The improvements that we have realized over the past 10 years of working with Siemens are multifaceted.
The lighting that we were able to accomplish through the performance contract got us a lot closer to the natural lighting. When you get more of the natural lighting, the students usually perform much better.
Now they're energy saving. It has made a tremendous difference in price and in environmentally friendly aspects.
Heating and cooling. Prior to working with Siemens, you were either sweating in our classrooms or freezing in our classrooms. When you're cold, you can't learn. When you're too hot, you can't learn. The types of infrastructure that Siemens has enabled us to put in has enabled us to maintain as much of a natural type, consistent type of learning environment. Also with the security, Siemens has really been instrumental in helping us upgrade our overall security systems. Having kids in school that parents can feel they're sending their students to a school that is safe and we can make our environment as safe as possible have been instrumental. It provides a great deal of relief and support to our parent community as well.
The benefits the district has received in the performance contract is the comfort in knowing that we've provided a safe, secure learning environment for our students. And secondarily, that we've spent money in a wise fashion and kept our budget balanced while achieving a great learning place for our kids.
Siemens played an important role in helping District 54 implement a formal STEM-based education program that promotes science, technology, engineering, and math. This program will help foster the next generation of scientists, engineers, and business leaders.
As you know, there's a shortage in the United States on graduating engineers that can move into the workplace. Next year, due to some of the coordination that Siemens has enabled us with other districts throughout the country, we're going to be beginning Project Lead the Way, which is a nationally based STEM-related curriculum. Also, Siemens has really been beneficial in helping us look at different ways that we can educate our students in energy conservation, in sustainability, in different types of math, science, and technology applications that bring it to the real life world and to the real learning aspect of our students.
District 54 is a true model of success, and I mean that in all sincerity. If they can take this school district, and I'm talking about as a whole, from the Board of Education to the Superintendent to the CFO down to the Buildings and Grounds level, everyone in the district has the philosophy of doing the right things, and that right thing is for the students.
The future is changing so rapidly. You know, when you look at the integration of what technology has done over the past couple years to education and to our world, I think if we're going to have our students be competitive, and by competitive at the college market, the work market beyond college, we have to try to constantly adapt what we're doing to meet the ever-changing needs of our students. Without Siemens, we would not be where we are today, and we would not be at the level and the depth of understanding of what we need to do. Siemens has been instrumental in helping us with that.